Thank you for the introduction. My name is Shigeo TERABE from KDDI. KDDI is one of the telecommunication companies in Japan, and we have started 5G service from 2020 in March. Today, I would like to share our current state of our 5G commercialization. The business environment is changing rapidly. So these are our recognition of major environment changes. The first is diversification of values and work styles. And the second is creating new business through digital transformation. And the third is increasing importance of sustainability. And the fourth is progress in beyond 5G, 6G research, as well as next generation technologies. To adapt these changes and to achieve the sustainable growth, we, KDDI, made KDDI Vision 2030. There are 3 steps in our vision. The first step is integration of telecommunications and life design. We have expanded our business to non-telecommunication field, mainly using smartphone. And the second step is promoting business transformation centered on 5G. Now we are here and we are evolving new business with our partner companies. And finally, we are targeting to be a platformer supporting society by 2030. In the previous slide, I mentioned business transformation. We focus these 5 areas to evolve new businesses. They are DX, finance, energy, LX. LX stands for life transformation, and regional co-creation. To realize them, we leverage our strengths, that is 5G infrastructure, operational know-how cultivated over many years, and partnering with other companies. 5G infrastructure is supposed to be the foundation of all the business transformation. With 5G penetration, telecommunications will blend in with everything, and a new value will be created from there. Yeah, I cannot proceed the page. Oh, sorry. Okay, so now we are continuing to expand 5G area. We are reinforcing customers' lifeline, such as commercial districts, railroads, Shinkansen, and expressways, and simultaneously expand to nationwide coverage. It contributes It contributes to, oh, not yet. So, oh, yeah. It contributes to the 5G population coverage target, that is 95% by 2024 in March, and as a vision for digital garden city nation. So during 5G deployment, we have encountered some technical issues. I would like to share one of them. The example is When neighboring 5G and 4G area are using the same frequency band, the QoE of both 4G and 5G services can be degraded seriously. This occurs because 4G and 5G are different radio access schemes, so it is difficult for UEs to detect interferences from each other precisely. To resolve this issue, we have done some tuning for base stations. To make it short, we have narrowed down 5G area in specific area. Switching from 5G to 4G at cell edge resolves the interference issue, but this causes trade-off between 5G area coverage and QoE. So this kind of tuning is very sensitive for us. Please, next please, yeah, okay. So we have started 5G service from 2020 in March as 5G NSA, non-standalone, and we have started 5G SA service partially this year in March. And now we are preparing for full-scale 5G SA. Currently, our 5G service is high capacity and high data rate service with smartphone. But by utilizing the advanced technology such as network slicing, openness, and virtualization, new value opportunities expand with full-scale 5G SA. Next, please. So to evolve new businesses, end-to-end network slicing is key technology. Network slicing is the technology to guarantee the specific network requirements of individual services by virtually slicing the necessary and sufficient network resource in each domain. By this technology, flexible service can be provided for each use case. Next, please. And LAN slicing is most important and most difficult to guarantee the telecommunication requirement. There are many challenges in LAN slicing. To resolve them, the intelligent controller for LAN is necessary. Such function is called RIC, RIC. RIC is expected to enhance the spectral efficiency of LAN and to guarantee different SLAs simultaneously. If it works properly, we can provide with the various services at a reasonable cost. Next, please. Yeah, in the beginning of this presentation, I mentioned we are targeting be a platformer. So this figure is vision. This figure shows mobile service platform overview. In the bottom of figure, many kind of device is required for the various use case of the various industries. And they must be able to connect 5G network. And in the middle of the figure, we will construct 5G mobile virtual network with network function with common API. And by utilizing end-to-end network slicing technology, we can provide the guarantee telecommunication service. And on top of them, at platform layer, we provide KDDI assets or necessary function as microservice. Next, please. According to the business use cases, customers can minimally select the prepared microservice to realize their requirements. This architecture makes it possible to realize customers' requirement with shorter period and at lower price. and it contributes a new business creation in the various industries. Next, please. This is a summary of my presentation. Thank you for your kind attention.